Horse, Wolf 359. Slow mo replay. As they swing for home, malayo pa ang pinanggalingan ito eh. But at this point, bandera pa rin. Every sweat counts. At yun, shoot sa loob. Galing ito, siguro mga pangalawa sa bugaw si eventual winner natin na si Wolf 359. Then, yan, kumuha na ng unahan, tabing balya. Then, sa labas, yung every sweat counts, nandun na rin si Beltuna. At yung Gangs Are Enough. Then, about to pass the last 100. Goes in front. Eventual winner. Wolf 359. Then, palayo na to about 4 lengths. Parating na isang dihadong nanalo o sa segundos, that's Beltuna. Then third, every sweat counts at yung number 11,